Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this 12-pack rechargeable lithium AA batteries. I've already been using this for over a month now, and this is a great pack of rechargeable batteries to have. So let's get into it and let me show you the features and I'll give my overall feedback at the end. So you can see here, this is the case that holds the rechargeable batteries. This is where you charge it, right here. When you open it up, all 12 batteries are stored perfectly in their own compartment. So it makes it easy to store and to charge without having to worry that they're not charging properly. On the top, also it has the terminals to charge it on the top. Let me close it. So once you plug it in, you see on the top, it shows which batteries are charging. When it's blinking the green dots, that means the batteries need to be charged. Once they're fully charged, the light will stay a constant green. So this fits any device that holds the AA batteries, and the charge stays for a very long time. So this is a very good lithium rechargeable batteries. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great 12-pack AA rechargeable batteries. I like how the case holds all the batteries conveniently all in one place. I also like how when you're charging it, it shows which batteries that they need to be charged, and I like how it has the terminals on top, so it charges each one of the batteries individually. This is a great buy.